Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Syafiq Haikal bin Rasidi. For today, I will start by introduction. Okay, the idea for our project is come from the air pollution that become worse day by day. For the air pollution, we can divide by two categories, which is the outdoor air pollution and the second one is the indoor air pollution. For our project, we focus on the indoor air pollution. Like we know, if the air pollution happen inside the building or home, which is it is indoor air pollution, the only one way we can overcome this problem is to purchase a air filter. Before we purchase the air filter, the first step we must do is to survey the air filter in the market of Malaysia. It is because there are various type of the air filter nowadays at the market at Malaysia. It also has many type of brand, famous brand that produce the air filter like Kowe, Coco, Sharp, and Dyson, and many more. It also has a different level of effectiveness because each brand have their each technology that can make the level of effectiveness of their air filter. Next is problem statement. The problem statement for our project is first is unhealthy air quality. The unhealthy air quality comes from many sources like smoke from smoking and cooking, beside the gas during the process of the cooking. From these sources, it make a bad ventilation inside the building or home. The second one is the expensive air filter. We know the air filter nowadays at the market have a high price. It is because the technology used inside the air filter that make it expensive. It is because it have a high technology. Next is big size of air filter. It is problem because it make the user hard to handle their air filter. And lastly is various type of the air filter with different function each. So to overcome the problem that we had list before, we propose the air filter that name as easy air filter. So refer to figure 1. It is the isometric view of our easy air filter. And figure 2 is the airflow and the part of the easy air filter. So our easy air filter use PVC as the main body, which is to make it light in weight. Second is we use the evaporation pad as a cooling agent and the black filter pad as a filtering agent. Third is we use the tire to make our easy air filter portable. And refer to figure 2, it show the airflow of our air filter, which is it flow from the fan at the bottom of the air filter and move through the evaporation pad and black filter pad to produce a clean air for our daily use. The next one is the objective. objective of our project is first to study the design of the air filter in the market at Malaysia. Second is to conduct a survey to identify the characteristic or feature of the air filter that respondent want and that respondent have at their home. Besides, to know the additional feature that respondent want for their air filter. And lastly is to propose a new design of air filter, which is our easy air filter with the upgrade of our air filter.
Okay, so hello, my name is Mama Aloma Kebe Sabri. Okay, so I will continue about scope and limitation. Okay, first is unhealthy air quality. As we know that in Malaysia, the air quality is so bad. Okay, so for the second is design of air filter at Malaysia market. For air filter in Malaysia is the huge and can be portable, so we design a portable one for the IPT student. Okay, we conduct the survey about 100 to 200 IPT students. IPT stands for Institute of Higher Education students. So we survey about 115 students in Malaysia. Okay.
Okay, next I will continue with the methodology. The methodology consists of few steps which are define the research objective, develop and design questionnaire, pilot testing, data collection, data analysis and finding. The first one, define the research objective. The objective of this research is to survey brand price, features of air filter available in the market and to design a portable easy air filter for smaller space. Next is develop and design questionnaire. The questionnaire was created using Google Form and it consists various questions like the respondent background and their opinion about the easy air filter. The next one is pilot testing. The objective of the pilot testing is to make sure the research runs smoothly without error. A sample of 20 respondents will take the pilot test and the alpha cron batch value must be above 0.7. If it below 0.7, then the correction of the survey instrument must be done. After the correction, we must continue with the data collection. All of the data from 100 students have been collected and the duration of the collecting data is 3 weeks. Next is data analysis. All of the data that have been collected been analyzed using the mean, mode and median method. And lastly, the finding. After all the process of analyze, we found the popular brand, price and features of air filter available in the market and features best for easy air filter. Next, I will explain about the result. First, respondent background. Figure 3 shows the gender of the respondent. 40% from them is a woman and 60% of them is a man. Next is profile on air filter usage among students. Figure 4 shows the respondent that own an air filter. The result shows more than half of the students have air filter at their home. This is because the students need a better environment to focus in their studies, so they must have an air filter to make sure their environment is much better. Figure 5 shows brands of air filter. There are too many brands that are used by the student, but the most used is Galway air filter. This is because Galway air filter is claimed to be the best and most advanced air filter in the market. Figure 6 shows the price of the air filter. Majority of them say that the price of the air filter that they have is below 500 ringgit. It is reasonable and still affordable by the student. The next one is the feature of the air filter that the respondent want. The top 3 is reasonable price, effectively according to area, and safe electricity usage. After that, survey on easy air filter. 83% from the students says they agree that they have to put an air filter in a small space. Figure 9 shows air filter features that the respondent want. The top 3 is portable, light and easy to maintain, which are this is the characteristic of our easy air filter. Figure 10 shows respondent that interest in owning easy air filter. 79% from them is interested in our easy air filter. And lastly is opinion about the price of easy air filter. Majority of them vote that the price that's suitable for our easy air filter is above 100 ringgit. This is much reasonable, more than the other air filter in the market.
Okay, I will continue about the discussion. Okay, for survey on air filter, half of respondents have an air filter at their home. And second one is living room as an ideal place to place the air filter. Most of the student wants to place their air filter at the living room. Okay, so Conway's brand as famous air filter among respondent. Uh, for the brand of the air filter, Conway's is the most famous brand. Okay, respondents want reasonable price, safe electricity, and effective for air filter. Okay, all of the respondents want the cheap price, affordable price, and save the electricity at their home. Okay, for the last is price of the air filter respondent use are below 500 ringgit. Okay, for the survey on our easy air filter, the first is respondent want portable, light and easy to maintenance air filter. So they can use the air filter and easy to maintain. It's usable. Okay, second one is respondent interest in owning easy air filter. Okay, for the last is worth more than RM100. So for the student, we know that they don't have much money, so they want the affordable price. Okay, that's all. Okay, so for the last one is I will continue about the conclusion. Okay, most of the IPT students satisfied with the easy air filter design and features. I will see from the photo that easy air filter is the best one. Okay, other than that is the easy air filter can enter Malaysia market with the because it's reasonable and affordable price for the student and for the community of the Malaysia. Okay, the easy air filter features fit what respondent want. Okay, there is portable and affordable and effective for 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 the public. Okay, we know that the Kowe is the famous brand for the air filter in Malaysia market. Okay, we we continue, and the last one is most air filter in the market have high price. Okay, so we design the easy air filter with the affordable price, so the students can buy and can know the features about the easy air filter almost the same as the market ones. Okay, I think that's all from us. Thank you.